In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Planet Zoo on your PC. So what we need to do is open our Google browser and we need to quickly search up this game at Steam before we can continue to another website to download it without overpaying. So quickly go to the Steam website, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video to see more content like this. Now quickly search up the game Planet Zoo, don't waste too much time on it, and then select the game. After that scroll a little bit down and then you will find out that currently this game on Steam is on sale for €16.49. But don't worry, we have a little workaround to save yourself even more money while downloading games online legally. So what you need to do is open the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this page, and here we are going to search for the same game Planet Zoo. Now, once you have searched for that, select games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first. Once you have done this, you will find a PC version which can be activated in our country. As you can see, this text is marked green. This is very important, otherwise it won't work for you. Once you have found one, then select it and open the game page. As you can see, we can already download this game for just €10.33 compared to the Steam price of €16.49. This will save you a bit of money while downloading games online. Now, once you have purchased this game on this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!